Welcome to Quiz Cracker. In this video we will enjoy solving amazing riddles. Are you ready for exciting brain teasing? Let us get started. What is always in front of you but can't be seen? Answer: the future. I am not alive, but I can grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. What am I? Answer: fire. I can be cracked, made, told, and played. What am I? Answer: a joke. What has a bark but no bite? Answer: a tree. What gets sharper the more you use it? Answer: your brain. What can be broken without being held? Answer: a promise. What belongs to you, but other people use it more than you do? Answer: your name. What has many needles, but doesn't sew? Answer: a Christmas tree. What has one eye but can't see? Answer: a needle. What has a heart that doesn't beat? Answer: an artichoke. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with wind. What am I? Answer: an echo. What has 4 fingers and a thumb, but isn't alive? Answer: a glove. What is so fragile that saying its name breaks it? Answer: silence. What has to be given before you can keep it? Answer: your word. What has a neck but no head? Answer: a bottle. What kind of coat is always wet when you put it on? Answer. A coat of paint. I fly without wings. I cry without eyes. Whenever I go, darkness flies. What am I? Answer. A cloud. Forward I am heavy, but backward I am not. What am I? Answer. The word ton. I'm taken from a mine, and shut up in a wooden case, from which I'm never released, and yet I am used by almost every person. What am I? Answer. Pencil lead. I am an odd number. Take away one letter, and I become even. What number am I? Answer. 7. I turn once, what is out will not get in. I turn again, what is in will not get out. What am I? Answer. A key. Thanks for watching.
New to this channel? Please subscribe and take your knowledge to next level. It's Quizcracker presentation.